This is a 1929 Plymouth Model U Roadster. Beautiful restoration. The two-tone green body and black fenders. This was the first production year for Plymouth. They started in June 1928. And so this was the first model year, 1929. Amazing car. It has a 175 cubic inch displacement 4-cylinder engine. Notice the painted dashboard, which is very complete. The gas gauge is on the tank in the rear. 3-speed manual transmission. Nice convertible top. And as you can see, this car has a rumble seat. There's the spare tire. There's the pad to step on to get into the rumble seat. And in that rumble seat, you'll see displayed some interesting information. This car is truly a barn find. Can you believe it? Kept in a barn for years, and then a highway came through the area of Syracuse, New York, and so this car was unearthed. Sold to a family and has remained in that family since that time. So very lucky that the car was preserved over those years. Very thoughtful of the owner to display this information. Notice the price of gas at the time, 12.9 cents a gallon. Price of the car, $6.75. And there evidently is an owner's card and the jacket for the instruction booklet. Amazing those things have been preserved. And there you see a way to carry your luggage. You've probably noticed that on some of these vintage cars, this accordion type device there on the running board, and that's what it's for. Owner can be particularly proud of this car. Restored such a high level. Amazing.